Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some sliced potatoes. Very similar to roast potatoes, just shaped a little bit differently, just a little bit of a different style of presenting. So we'll jump right in. Over here I have a bunch of red potatoes that are sliced about 1/4 inch thick. And you want to try to slice them as evenly as possible. I have 1 medium onion sliced thin over here. I have salt, pepper, paprika, granulated garlic, and some dried rosemary. Of course you can use fresh rosemary, but if you don't have, just take some dry and try to break it up a little bit so they're not so big. And I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And very simply, we're gonna add this to our potatoes. We're gonna add our olive oil and mix. And try to keep it in the bowl when you mix. That's another story. All the ingredients will be listed in the description below. I suppose it would help if I had a bigger bowl, but that's okay too. We'll make it work. So once our spices are mixed through and through, and make sure they're mixed very well, you'll notice that my sheet pan is lined with parchment paper. Basically, I'm just going to put these out. And we're going to put it in a 375-degree oven. I might actually get another sheet pan. See how this is actually like 3 or 4 layers thick? That's a little bit too thick. I'm probably actually just going to get another sheet pan and put half of it on another sheet pan, and then I'm going to stick it in the oven. So, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. So I'll see you shortly. Bye-bye. So our sliced potatoes just came out of the oven a few minutes ago. They were in the oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes at 375 degrees. So anyway, that's what they look like. I'm gonna try one. I love potatoes. Potatoes are one of my favorite foods. And they're delicious as always. So anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Bye-bye.